How to share music in Instagram DMs. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. Instagram just launched music sharing in message and it's as smooth as it sounds. So let me show you how to do it exactly step by step. For that, first of all, you want to make sure your Instagram is updated. Once you update your Instagram, open it up and then simply log in to your Instagram account. Once you logged into your account, simply tap on the chat section icon right over here and choose an existing chat. Just like so, inside the chat, you'll see a sticker icon. Tap onto it, and just like so, you'll see a music option. Tap onto it, and just like that, this opens the whole library of sounds. You can scroll through trending tracks or search for that one song that says everything you're too cool to text. So once you do that, you can go ahead and tap on this play button to see a preview of it. Once done, you want to go ahead and select the song, and just like so, it will be sent as a sleek sticker. And when your friend taps on it, the record spins and a song plays. And that is simply how you can easily share music on your Instagram DM. That ends the video, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.